Imagine this, you, sitting on a beach, sipping a cool drink, while your money makes money in the Forex market. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. Timing is everything in Forex. It's not enough to know which way the market is moving. You need to know when it's moving to really cash in. That's why understanding the best times to trade Forex is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Ready to trade smarter, not harder? Let's dive into the exciting world of Forex trading times. Hey there, fellow traders and aspiring Forex gurus. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you're in the right place. This essay is your ultimate guide to mastering Forex trading times. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for you to grasp. By the end, you'll know exactly when to enter and exit trades to maximize your profits. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the Forex clock and take your trading to the next level. The Forex market never sleeps. It's a 24/5 whirlwind of trading action, spanning across different time zones. But don't worry, you don't need to be up all night to profit from it. The Forex market is divided into 4 main trading sessions: Sydney, 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. GMT, Tokyo, 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT, London, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. GMT, and New York, 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. GMT. Each session has its own personality and trading opportunities. Knowing when these sessions overlap is crucial, as it's during these times that the market experiences the highest volume on volatility. The Sydney session is ideal for traders who prefer a slower pace, with pairs like AUD, USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, and NZD, USD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, being popular. The Tokyo session suits those who trade the JPY, Japanese yen, with pairs like USD, JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen, and EUR/HA, JPY, Euro, Japanese yen, seeing significant activity. The London session is bustling and great for trading GBP, British pound, pairs such as GBP, USD, British pound, US dollar, and Euro, GBP, Euro, British pound. Finally, the New York session is perfect for trading USD, US dollar pairs like EUR, USD, Euro, US dollar, and GBP, USD, British pound, US dollar, offering high liquidity and volatility. Section 4. Riding the waves. Volatility and liquidity. Explained. Volatility and liquidity are 2 words you will hear a lot in the Forex world. They are fundamental concepts that every trader needs to understand to navigate the market effectively. Think of volatility as the market's mood swings. It represents the rate at which the price of a currency pair, such as EUR USD, Euro US dollar, changes. High volatility means big price movements, creating opportunities for big wins and losses. Traders often seek volatile markets to capitalize on these price swings. Liquidity, on the other hand, refers to how easily you can buy or sell a currency pair. It's a measure of market activity and efficiency. High liquidity means there are plenty of buyers and sellers, so you can enter and exit trades quickly without affecting the price. This is crucial for executing trades at your desired price. One of the most volatile times in the Forex market is during the release of economic news, like the US Non-Farm Payrolls report. These events can cause sudden and significant price movements. This report can send shockwaves through the market, creating huge opportunities for savvy traders. Understanding how to navigate these periods of high volatility can be the key to successful trading. Section 5. Prime time trading. Unveiling the most lucrative hours. So, when are the best times to trade Forex? The answer lies in the overlap of the London and New York sessions. Between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. GMT, these two major markets collide, creating a perfect storm of high volatility and liquidity. During this overlap, major currency pairs like EUR at USD, Euro at US dollar, GBP USD, British Pound US dollar, and USD, JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen, see the most action, offering traders ample opportunities to profit. Remember, trading during high volume periods means tighter spreads and potentially higher profits. Section 6. Baby Steps to Forex. Success. A beginner's guide. New to Forex? Don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. Forex trading can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and a bit of patience, you can navigate the market successfully. It's important to start with the basics and gradually build your knowledge and skills. As a beginner, it's best to dip your toes into the market during calmer periods. This allows you to learn without the pressure of high volatility. Take your time to understand how the market moves and how different factors affect currency prices. The Asian session, particularly the Tokyo session, 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. GMT, offers a less volatile environment to practice your trading skills. This session is ideal for beginners because it provides a more controlled setting to test your strategies and get comfortable with the trading platform. Focus on major currency pairs like EUR, USD, Euro, US dollar, and USD, JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen, as they tend to have tighter spreads and are easier to analyze. These pairs are popular among traders and provide ample opportunities to learn and grow your trading skills. Remember, slow and steady wins the race in Forex. Patience is key to success in this market. Avoid the temptation to make quick profits and instead focus on consistent, steady growth. This approach will help you build a solid foundation for long-term success. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually venture into more volatile sessions and explore other currency pairs. Expanding your trading horizons will allow you to take advantage of more opportunities and further develop your skills. Always keep learning and adapting to the ever-changing market conditions. Section 7. Ready to conquer the markets? This is where your journey to mastering the Forex market truly begins. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the secrets of Forex trading times. This knowledge is your key to navigating the complex world of Forex with confidence. You know the major trading sessions, from the bustling Tokyo market to the dynamic New York session, the importance of volatility and liquidity, and how they can impact your trading strategy, and the best times to trade for maximum profit. Timing your trades can make the difference between a good trade and a great one. Remember, timing is everything in Forex. The right moment can amplify your gains and minimize your losses. By understanding the Forex clock and trading during optimal hours, you align yourself with the market's natural rhythms. You'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Consistency and discipline are your allies in this journey. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. The market waits for no one, so seize the moment. Sign up with our recommended broker using the link in the description. It supports this channel and gets you started on the right foot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy trading! Also, check out the links to my favorite trading books in the description. What trading session do you find most profitable? Let us know in the comments below.